everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. My son absolutely loves cars or anything with wheels. So we got him this super cute ORWINE push and go set of 4 different vehicles, and it's so cute to watch him chase these around. When I first took them out of the packaging, he got so excited when he figured out that they would go on their own. We spent an entire afternoon playing with them. These little trucks are so fun to play with. I really enjoy it, and they go so far. I also like how durable they are too. He has thrown these all over the place. They get stepped on, stuff gets thrown on them, and they are in excellent condition and they are still going strong. It comes with this little cement mixer, a bulldozer, a dump truck, and a tractor with a detachable trailer. Another thing I really love is that you don't need batteries. So if you're a parent, you know most things need batteries and you have to worry about them dying and keeping batteries on hand and everything. But I really like that all you have to do is wind these up and they go. If you have kids that love vehicles or chasing things around the house, I can guarantee you this is going to be their new favorite toy. But that's just my point of view.